Good day, Hot Wheelers and diecast dealers. This is Four Sun Diecast with another unboxing video. As some of you may know or may not know, I'm a new member of the Red Line Club, and this is the first Red Line edition that I've been able to get my hands on. So today we're going to unbox this and see what we've got. All right, so I've got my tools, I've got my box. Let's get into it. Oh, hold on. Let me turn this so you guys can see it at the same time I see it, right? All right. Let's see what's in there. We got our invoice. Bunch of packing stuff. Get that out of here. All right. And look at that. Isn't she beautiful? Man, that is nice. This is my very first Red Line Club edition vehicle. And we have the 1970 Mustang Boss 302. Let me see if we can get you a little bit closer in that. That thing is nice. And typically, I'm not really into cars, but I must say, I'm really in love with this car. So, we're going to open it up a little bit further because I like to open my toys and play with them. Also inside the box, we got the RLC 21 patch. We've also got the button, and of course the car. And look at that. It's got real riders. It's got that beautiful orange Spectra Flame paint. Man, I'm loving this car, and I'm happy to be out here with you guys sharing this moment with you. And again, like I said, this is my first time with the RLC edition car, and we've got all these wonderful pieces in the box. Thank you for logging in and sharing this moment with me today. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and click that bell icon for more wonderful content.